Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Accord Hybrid. Honda Accord Hybrid is a thrusty mid-range punch, about 600 miles on a tank full, comfy space for 5, a hushed voice. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, moonroof, aluminum wheels, daytime running lights, front-wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, LED headlights, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers, Bluetooth. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.